that video.
I think it just...
I ride right past him. He expects he's going to want to go to the hill. Try and take her over in the yard if he can. Turn her around to us. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, take her back up that way. And when you come back, stop her in front of the camera so Johnny can see her stop. Okay, whoa her. Whoa. 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 When you want to whoa her, you have to pull back on both reins.
I was getting her to
Good.
the ground cycle.
Good.
Stop. Okay, now walk her back that way.
Good job.
There's 2 vehicles coming.